This is the barrel of the Bunsen burner. It can be removed by unscrewing it. Notice this gap is getting larger as I do that. Go ahead and take that all the way off. Now look here. You should see either a hole in the middle or a hole that's plugged. I'm going to rotate this knob that's on the bottom of the Bunsen burner, and I'll watch what happens to the hole on the top as I do that. Maybe a little difficult, but I can turn this, and as I do so I'm observing, seeing some changes here. Seeing some changes. Go ahead and turn this until it comes all the way out. Now imagine gas coming through this tube here, under some pressure going into the Bunsen burner here. Try to understand, what would this do? What would this do? How does it work? So we're going to put this in and then turn it until it can't turn anymore, all the way until it stops. And then observe again and see, how does this work. In the end, go ahead and screw this barrel back on. Leave it for the next group.